Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem many of us face with our devices. Picture this. You set an 80% charge limit on your iPhone to preserve the battery health, but you're wondering if leaving it on a cheap charging stand throughout the day is as effective as using a tool like AlDente Pro on your MacBook. The main concern here is whether the phone will continuously charge and discharge around the 80% mark, potentially causing harm to the battery due to frequent cycling. So, is this charging stand strategy a safe bet to keep your phone juiced up and healthy without going through full charge cycles? Let's dive into the details. In essence, the solution to your charging dilemma lies in how your phone prioritizes power. The phone, just like your computer, puts powering the device first before the battery. If your battery is fully charged or set to a limited charge, the power will flow directly to fuel the screen and processor. This means that in the scenario you've described, where you keep your phone on the charging stand at 80% all day, there's no need to worry about excessive cycling that could harm your battery. The system is smart enough to handle it without causing any issues. Solution delivered. In summary, if you're aiming to maintain your iPhone's battery health by limiting charge cycles, your Qi charging stand is a convenient and efficient way to go. With the phone prioritizing device power over the battery, you can rest assured that your battery will be well taken care of. So, keep that phone charged at 80% stress-free and enjoy the convenience of always having a ready-to-go device. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today. Remember to hit subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, stay charged up and stay awesome.